Hello, hello, beautiful ladies! Watch Marina transform herself into a man by using a regular makeup. Applying a decent amount of foundation, one that doesn't actually match her skin, but match the person she's gonna transform herself into. Contouring is definitely the key on making these creative transformations. Marina is obviously very creative and a true artist at that. Just keep watching for the result. These little details definitely make the perfect outcome. Who would have thought a woman could turn into a man this fast? She definitely makes her transformations look perfect by applying this much makeup, which is actually needed. After taking care of the face, we need to make that hair look like Donald Trump as well. I am so ready for the final result. Can't wait to see it. Oh my god, look at that! Amazing! Are you guys ready for the next beautiful transformation? Liam Neeson never looked better than today. Marina really makes everyone look beautiful with these transformations. I bet if you cannot see any difference between Marina and Kimberly Guilfoyle in this one. Looking great, babe! And the last one for today. Are you ready? Jeffrey Dean Morgan is a cherry on top of these beautiful transformations by Marina.